I've got this piece of 2x4 and looking at it, I had an idea. A fun little afternoon project that won't even look like it was made from wood. I started by tracing a handle and the rest of the shape just a rough sketch to follow on a bandsaw. I started with the handle, and if you haven't guessed from my drawing, this is some kind of medieval or middle-aged sword, and I've got some ideas on how to make this pop. Make something that even looks real if I can pull it off. On the bandsaw I'm going for a rough cut. Staying outside the lines, I just want to avoid shaping it in other ways that involve dust or more effort after. Remove most of the unused materials now. My blade is not going very straight, more so in long green cuts, but I'll be able to save it. It didn't end up being a problem. Again, here I'm just removing bulk materials. A blade is not the thickness of a 2x4, so I'm going to thin it up some, following a rough line that I'll do, but I ended up removing a lot more. Sending the blade through at this angle is not the safest thing, I realize, but with a firm hold it's fine. Before we get to making this actually look like a sword, I swear it ends up decent. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel a ton. Thanks to all subscribers. Now with my good old Weber sander, I got it going, but switched my pads to some 100 grit ones to start, to do most of my shaping before going back to 120 grit. I'm basically using it as a planer for now, just letting it get down to the thinnest spot on both sides, which ended up being pretty perfect thickness wise. Those handguards that I traced and cut, I don't like them, so I went back to remove them on the bandsaw. Just the knobs will do fine. Shaping the handle is pretty easy, just make it round with the sander. For the blade, for it to look nice, once you got a nice bevel, set up a secondary bevel about halfway down the blade. This gives it a sharp look. I flattened the sharp edge for safety and for it to be more durable. With good old masking tape, I hid the handle and hit it with this can of metallic spray paint that I've had for now I think 4 years. I planned this video around the can, it better work. Fortunately it did and looks great, nice and shiny. For the handle, I got some gold paint, equally as old. Those are from when I was working in my garage, and spent a few winters frozen in my shed. Those things are meant to last, paint cans. Here I am, admiring my work, a sword that can't fight. And it's great because I'm no fighter. I prefer to make things.